Hello, everyone. I had to do that redo of that one. No, I'm not going to really talk about that this time. But anyways, the last time, since nobody liked that, I'm redoing it. So now I'm going to have to redo the thing. Anyways, just like what I did in the last video. Just a redo. But I'm not really hitting. Now I just hit it. That's a piston. Oh, now I just hit it again. Nah. That's one. Nah. Almost hit it. Oh, wait. Last two. Yes, I got it. Yeah, I got it again. Yes. Yes, I got it so many times. Yes. Okay. Now that's accurate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace, you guys. See you guys in the next one.